This is Daryl for Tuesday, the 29th of August 2017. This is the DE Asset Management Monthly Report. So last month in July, we spoke about our company being a private equity company, and we spoke about discussing that further, exactly how it's going to work, right? Well, after further research, we and our advisory team, we decided to position our company more as a venture capital company. As we analyze the companies that we have invested in already, so to date we have invested in 6 different companies, and as we analyze these companies, we realize that our assets are more in line with venture capital investments. So therefore then DE Asset Management will be a venture capital company. So it actually is already. So we have already done the paperwork to that end. And if you look at our website on deasset.ca, you will see that it is already set up as a venture capital company. So we, as I said, we already have 6 companies, and this year we will invest in another company. We have a site set on it already. We are actually working towards that end already. And what we will do is we will continue developing all 7 companies to the end of these companies becoming cash positive companies. Then we will place good management teams in these companies, and then these companies will be part of our first venture capital fund. So the timetable we are looking at with these companies is mid-2018. So by mid-2018, we are thinking that we will have that fund available for investors. So right now we are just working hard to make sure that these companies are good companies that we could feel proud of bringing to our investors, and be proud that these companies will then create the returns that our company has been known to make. Okay, so that's the piece on our company. So if we look at now the monthly report on the market. So if we look at the market today, stock market today, what we see is that so today what we had is Tropical Storm Harvey. Tropical Storm Harvey hitting Houston, Texas, and it's pretty bad. Widespread flooding through Houston, and it's a human disaster. It's pretty sad, and we are all worried that it wouldn't get to the point of being like Katrina. And today, President Donald Trump is down there in Houston, or in Texas, anyways, and he's looking to see what they need as far as funding and so forth. So hopefully they could really get the all the necessary help that they need down there to really prevent loss of life. So if we look now at the markets based on what has happened in Houston, how it affects the markets, well, we have exploration and production companies with exposure to the Texan oil basin. They continue to fall because of some of these companies just cannot operate under the situation that they are on. and so their stock prices fall. And what is happening because of that too is we have investors moving to safer investments. We have a greater shift towards gold, and we have gold prices climb today. Gold prices up today 4.32 points to 1314.05. Right, so another piece of news that have been hidden headlines that have also been affecting the markets to a lesser extent today have been the North Korea missile. Right, they sent a missile over Japan, and it in the waters near to Japan. So that it's created some waves, but not to the extent of what's happening there in Houston. So what has happened with the market? What did we see with the market today? Well, we see the Dow Jones up 20.45 points to 21,825.85. We had the S&P 500 down 0.73 points to 2443.37. The Nasdaq up 13.17 points to 6296.11. So mixed market today. The Dow was up, the Nasdaq up, but the S&P was down today. So hopefully, as we said before, the tropical storm Harvey could really dissipate, and they could get the needed help down there. I heard all the National Guard that was available went down there already, and they're trying to get as much food stuff and so forth down there to help ones affected. So hopefully that pans out. Another piece of situation also is the funding. The U.S. is trying to send funding down there. They're looking at about 100 million, a little bit more even than was sent to Katrina. They would like to send it as soon as possible in order to really dissipate the problem before it could become as big as it was in Katrina. But a piece of situation is that in Congress they are having a hard time trying to pass the bill to get that money to go down there. So hopefully that could that situation could really dissipate soon, and they could get the funds needed. Okay, so thank you everyone out there for viewing our channel, our monthly reports, and we want to thank everyone out there that has helped us as we have developed our company so far, and we are very, very thankful for those who have helped us to develop this new venture capital company that we have created. And going forward, all our investors that have been with us for years, they could expect in 2018 a fund that we will be proud of. We'll be proud to bring it to you, and you could expect that you would be really creating very good returns based on these 7 companies that we'll be developing. Okay, so for more information you could look at our website deasset.ca, or you could get in contact with us. All right, so please stay tuned, and we'll see you again next month, which would be September 2017. Thank you again for watching.